Hey everyone, how are you? And I'm doing my last Christmas in July, but I will have a lot more Christmas when we get closer to the holidays in probably November, end of November. I'm using the little tin that came with my box from Auntie Cuckoo, and at Hobby Lobby they had a couple of these picks. They were normally $4.99 and I got them in the clearance for 49 cents. So I'm going to put 2 of these in here. And then I made a video last year, and I'll put it in the description box below so you can see how I made these. But these are wooden spoons from the Dollar Tree. Either Dollar Tree or Walmart, I can't remember now. And I painted this part, and then here's the face. And then I made the mustache and nose out of Sculpey, and then those are bead eyes. And then here's another one. Okay. So I'm going to put these into the picks. Well, these really aren't picks, these are big bushes. Make it cute in my kitchen. So I'm just going to lay these in here, and when I get them set the way I want them, I'll bring you down. Okay guys, so here it is. Now I'm going to bring you down with the camera so you can see it better. It's just the position I have this in, it's hard for me to show you right now, but like I said, I'll bring you down. So go get yourself even a galvanized tin from Dollar Tree, some greenery that you already have, and a couple wooden spoons. You can make an adorable arrangement. I'm going to add a little bit more as far as ribbon. Okay, so I'm bringing you down into the kitchen because I think you'll be able to see it better. So here's the tin that Auntie Cuckoo gave me that was in that box of goodies from Michael's. And then I got these 2, like I told you, from Hobby Lobby, and they were 49 cents on clearance. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of tweak this a little bit. Okay, and then here, so I can show you closer, here are the spoons, the wooden spoons I made last year, and I painted the spoon and then put Sculpey in for the mustache, and then here are the plastic beads, and then the nose is made out of Sculpey as well, and I just put a little bit of fur there for the hat. And then here's another one, and same thing, and then put a little pine cone with a little bit of Christmas pick. I have a video of doing these. I will link it down below so you can see how I made them. And these white spoons came from the Dollar Tree. Okay. Okay, so there are the spoons that I just put without really even thinking about it, just put them randomly. And then I took a little piece of the Harlequin and the courtly check, because again, in my kitchen and family room, I'm going to incorporate this Mackenzie child with my Christmas. So I think that turned out cute, and instead of putting the bow down here that would hide the face of this Santa, I just went ahead and put it on one of the branches. So that's where the bow's going to be. Very easy, very easy. If you don't have a tin like this, you can use a tomato can, one of your tomato sauce cans, and use that and just paint it. And you know, you could put from your Cricut, or if you get little stickers, you could write whatever you wanted on it. But I think this is really cute, and since I do use a lot of Santas as well, because I have snowmen and Santas, I like it. So I'm going to go get the plates that we made that I've already showed you, and let's see what it looks like with this. Okay, look how adorable. Just getting this done, okay? I'll bring the camera down in a minute, but look at these plates, okay? And get your holders from Dollar Tree. I got to go get some more. I don't have enough. But isn't this adorable? And then, because of that little bit, you can see it like that. I want to take the camera down. Just putting that little bit of ribbon, look at how it ties in with your plates. My gosh, you guys, these are adorable. And what a cute gift that would make someone that really likes Mackenzie Child. Can you imagine someone that likes Mackenzie Child giving her a couple of these plates? And then you could make, like I said, you could make your own tin out of a tomato can. Wait till you see the DIYs that I'm going to do with tomato cans. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Okay, you guys, I had to bring you down. Look at this. Okay, here the plates are up on the stands. And then look. And then there's the bow. And then look over here. And this is a Mackenzie Child cookie, the cookie jar. But do you see what I mean when you take a piece of the real Mackenzie Child and then you make some of your own? It all will go together and it will look adorable. It'll look high-end. But here is a close-up of those little wooden spoons from the Dollar Tree. And then that tin. I think this is adorable. I am in love with this. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.